Hello, good morning guys. Kagigising lang. As you can see, just woke up like this. Yung social na muta natin, always present on the go. Today is our, ano ba? Third day here in the summer house. So today, I will show you our activities. Kung ano lang ba ginagawa sa summer house. Nagchichill lang, basically, kumakain. 'Di ba? Very, very family, oriented ang vacation ng mga Danish guys. Hindi katulad natin na parang, hindi katulad ng mga Pilipino na pagka nagbabakasyon parang nagta-travel, tas kumakain kung saan-saan, tapos busy, nagsha-shopping, mga ganun. Ang mga Danish guys, ang pinaka-bakasyon nila ay yung being together with their family, yung nagluluto sila together, very quiet setting, spending time with each other, and I feel like it's very also good in a way kasi that's what the essence of life is about, right? Yung having time with your family, like being together with them, being present with them. I think that's the whole idea of being in a summer house, guys. So dito sa Denmark, yun ang pinaka essence ng bakasyon nila. So today, I'll take you with me roaming around the city, baka mag city tour tayo or whatever. But we will see later kung anong mood. Pero syempre, swimming ulit at kain muna. Love you guys!